Jefferson County, Central Cott County, Southwestern Greene County, Southwestern Granger County, North Central Sevier County, Southwestern Hamilton County, until 12:15 m. At 11:31 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near New Market, or 9 miles southwest of Jefferson City, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Morristown, Sevierville, Jefferson City, Newport, Dandridge, White Pine, New Market, Banbury, Pounceville, and Strawberry Plains. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 in Tennessee between mile markers 400 and 438. Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 1 and 13. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is no... has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hawkins County, Washington County, northern Greene County, north central Unicoi County, east central Hamilton County, until 12:45 a.m. At 12:06 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Russellville, or 8 miles south of Rogersville, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Intact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Johnson City, Greenville, Irwin, Rogersville, Jonesboro, Tusculum, Midway, Gray, Oak Grove, and Spurgeon. This includes the following highways: Interstate 26 in Tennessee between mile markers 11 and 18, and near mile marker 36. Interstate 81 in Tennessee between mile markers 17 and 53. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is No Weather Radio.